Hello, this is your Miss Kamrun Nahan. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 5 state of matter and pressure. Today we will discuss about creative question. The stem is given here. The weight of an object in air and in water is 9.8 Newton and 7.8 Newton respectively. That means we got the information about the object's weight that is found in air and in water 9.8 Newton and 7.8 Newton respectively. The area and height of the object are 20 centimeters square and 10 centimeter respectively. Here g, gravitational acceleration, equals to 9.8 meter per second square. In the second sentence, you have to remember carefully that the unit is in centimeter square. So you have to convert it in MKS system. That means in meter. And also height is also given in centimeter. You have to convert it in meter. So from the stem we are getting the information about the weight and the area, height and gravitational acceleration. And here are the questions depending on the stem. State Archimedes law, write down the conditions of flotation and immersion of a body, calculate the density of the object. Does the stem follow Archimedes law? Give mathematical explanation. Now, the solution of number 1 question. State Archimedes law. The Archimedes law states that a body immersed in a liquid loses weight by an amount equal to the weight of the liquid displaced. That means if a body is partially or fully immersed in a liquid or gas in equilibrium, that means in rest, it seems to have lost a part of its weight. This apparent loss of weight is equal to the weight of the displaced liquid or gas. You have to remember that the body must be partially or fully immersed in the liquid or gas. Then this principle acts. Now, the second question you have to solve. Write down the conditions of flotation and immersion of a body. Flotation and immersion of these two acts simultaneously on a body when it is released in a liquid at rest. That means when a body is immersed in a liquid and the liquid is in rest condition, flotation and immersion, these two forces act simultaneously. The weight of the body is denoted by W1 x vertically downward and the buoyancy W2 x vertically upward on an immersed body. So, when you are given the condition, these two W1 and W2, you have to remember. Here are the conditions, and these are the three conditions of flotation and immersion of a body. Number 1, if W1 is greater than W2, that is when the weight of the body is greater than the buoyancy of the liquid, the body sinks. So, in this condition, the body sinks. W1 is greater than W2. In this case, the weight of the body is more than the weight of the displaced liquid. In second case or condition, if W1 equals to W2, that is when the weight of the body equals to the buoyancy of the liquid, the body floats being fully immersed in liquid. In such situation, the weight of the body is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced. So when W1 equals to W2, then the body floats being fully immersed in liquid. This situation occurs in this condition. In this condition, the body floats fully immersed in liquid. Now, the third condition is if W1 is smaller than W2, that is the weight of the body is less than the buoyancy of the liquid, the body does not sink. That means when W2 is greater than W1, then the body does not sink. It floats being partially immersed in liquid. In such a position or situation, the weight of the body is less than the displaced water. Now, C number question is calculate the density of the object. You have to find out the density of the object through mathematical analysis. Given weight in air of the object or the object's weight in air equals to 9.8, that is given in the stem. Base area or area equals to 20 centimeter square. You can get the meter square unit by dividing 20 centimeter square by 10,000. Now height of the object is 10 centimeter. That was also given in the stem, and you can divide by 100 and you get meter unit. Now we know that volume, that is denoted by V, equals to A into H. That means area into height. 0.002 into 0.10. That is calculated value is 0.0002 meter cube. So we got the value of volume of the object. Now mass. Mass is denoted by M equals to weight divided by G. We know that weight is denoted by W, W equals to mg. By replacing weight by mg, we got this value. We also put the value of the object that is found in air, 9.8, and we got the value of mass of the object, 1 kg. Again, we know that density is the mass per unit volume. We know. So, by putting value of mass and volume that we find earlier, volume and mass that we found, and calculating this value, we get density of the object 5000 kg per meter cube. Kg per meter cube is the unit of the density. So we have also solved the third norm question. Now D norm question is, does the stem follow Archimedes' law? Give the mathematical explanation or analyze mathematically. For following the Archimedes' law, I have states that law, a body immersed in a liquid loses weight by an amount equal to the weight of the liquid displaced. From the question C, we get volume of the object V equals to 0.0002 meter cube. So, from the law of Archimedes, we get the information that volume of object equals to the displaced water's volume. Volume of object equals to the displaced water volume, that is the same value of the object. So here is the displaced water volume V equals to 0.0002 meter cube. These two values are equals. We know density of water equals to 1000 kg per meter cube. Mass of the water displaced equals to volume into density. By putting the value of volume and density, we get this value of the mass of water that is displaced due to the object. Now, weight of the displaced water. Weight equals to mg. So, m is the value of 0.2 and g has value 9.8. By multiplying 0.2 into 9.8, we get this value. And apparent weight in liquid of the body is 9.8 minus 1.96 Newton, that is 7.8, which is exactly equal to the given stem. You have to know that according to Archimedes' law, the weight of the body equals to the weight of the displaced water that was found by calculating 1.96 Newton and apparent weight of the body in liquid, we will get 7.8, that is given in the stem, which is exactly equal to the given stem. So we can say that the stem follows Archimedes' law. But you have to know that apparent weight in liquid of the object equals to weight of the object that is found in air 9.8 minus weight of the displaced water 1.96. This is the weight of the displaced water and this is the object's weight that is found in air. So by calculating we get the weight of the object in liquid 7.8 Newton, which follows the Archimedes law. So, by mathematical analysis, we get the information that the stem follows Archimedes' law. Now, thank you everybody. Best of luck.